Hey, I'm Brandy. Just finished up Jennifer's pants fitting class, and I signed up several months ago, and I got made fun of for signing up for a pants fitting class when I don't wear pants. But I thought maybe I could alter the pattern and make it into shorts or a nice skirt, something that I would be able to use and learn some sewing techniques. So we get here and we started the pants fitting, and I'm able to wear pants down the catwalk as we're fitting them, and I'm feeling very good about my pants. Check out my dance party.
Woohoo! Oh, she's working it.
You need a red carpet for her to.
Yeah. I really love my pants, and now I'm going to be able to wear pants in my life and be comfortable, so much so that I may even change my burial plan so I don't have to be cremated. Now I can wear pants in my casket. So it's a fun class. You should join.